Right now, we're in the neighborhood about 1.1, 1.2 million workers. That's too many. And number of people in the assembly plants are going to be reduced. And it's not going to be very long to see that. I think every year people are going to see less and less.
If you look at, for instance, Chinese manufacturing, in Foxconn there is 1.2 million people in assembly. That is one company. If you look in Europe, you have not that massive assembly plants, but you still have tremendous opportunities for repetitive, boring works that really no one wants to do anymore, where this can be applied. So don't only look at the big things, look at the small things. That's where you find the automation opportunities going forward.
Because what puts a lot of workload into our assembly shop is all these small parts you have to put in. The more heavier parts, it's too dangerous to move them anyway. So this needs another type of automation, or even has to stay with a manual assembly process. But the small things where you have to pin in something, these sort of types which actually occupy a lot of workforce, because these are operations where you need a very good feeling and the sensitivity that is really which actually driving this product make it very hard for an operator. So that is some question was asked about reducing workforce. It is more or less that we're not looking in terms of the reduction of workforce. It is more that we actually want to gain more productivity in terms of having the possibility that these assembly processes, which are actually very tiring and which could be very faulty, that we have an opportunity to actually automate them. So that is why the weight thing is not what is driving us in terms of that is where I see an additional action development necessary.